Evaluate the integral of sinh 2x dx from 0 to 1/2. To evaluate the integral from 0 to 1/2, we first find the antiderivative of sinh 2x. The antiderivative can be calculated as follows. Now we need to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to 1/2. Now substituting these values in. This simplifies to Thus, the value of the integral is